Hello and welcome back. So today we will continue forward with the standard library, and we will be talking about dates, compression, and performance in Python. So dates and times can be expressed with the datetime library this way. We can use the date.today, and we will have date. We can use some formatting if we want. Okay, this kind of format, this kind of format is this kind of format. We can change it as we want, like put the, let's say, the year in the middle, put the day in the end. It's totally up to us. So this is how it is. We can also put the big year, the small year, the big year, and this is how it can be done. So this is for basic format. I will leave it as it is. Here we can have some birthday, and we can do some calculations of around. There are some calendar arithmetic around it. So dot days, we can do dot years. Example. Oh, it doesn't have years. Days, and we can just divide it by 365, and we will have like, okay, that's my birthday actually. If you would like to send me some gifts on my birthday, you're most welcome. So I'm already 25 years old and a half and counting and counting. And we can just do some floor operation, and it will tell you. Okay, it's math.floor, I guess. Ooh. Import math. Yeah, so you have math.floor, it's this one. We can compress data. We have a lot of data compression modules. We have zlib, gzip, bz2, lzma, zipfile. All of them, they are for, we will use just zlib for now to compress just basic strings. And here we have 41, the length of this string, which is, let's say, the binary representation of s is something like this. In Python, it's like if we do the binary one, it's something like this. If we want to compress s, can compress it with zlib of s, like t is the compression of z, and this will take only just 37. Let's say the length of this one would be just 37. So I guess like the length of s here would be yeah, I guess it's also 41 characters, so it's totally fine. But here, if we take this t and print t, we'll have some compression. We have compressed actually this s string into some more compressed t with some zlib algorithms. You can even check what are the algorithms of compress like the compressing algorithms. I think I have made something about it. Yeah, here we have another compress. Here we can decompress t. T doesn't have really a nice way of seeing it, but you can decompress it and see it in the original format. There we can use another compression. Like here this is the compression, and here we have another compression, which is this one. And here we can also like zlib.decompress this one, and we will have something decompress t. But like CRC, so doc CRC string compute CRC checksum. So it's more for computing this CRC32 checksum. Maybe it would be something that is quite useful in some kind of compression, say compute. Yeah, there are two different checksums. It's just like basic example of compressing and decompressing data. I would leave you, if you're interested into this, you can check it like quite yourself in the help or in the internet. We can also measure performance of algorithms and of other possible operations in Python, and we do it with this timeit, and which is a very nice library. If you do something like competitive programming, if you want to know where is the bottleneck, what works better in how much time. For example, this kind of algorithm works in this amount of time. It's the, let's say, it's the permutation algorithm. If you want to change the value of A, B, change them to B, A, and here you have A equal 1, B equal 1, you will time it. It's like 0.08 seconds, and here, if you're gonna time it, it's 0.07, and this one is the way you do some permutation in Python, which is quite useful as well. This is it for this one, and see you for the next one.